Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in Virginia. First, you need to ensure you meet Virginia's residency requirements, which typically means one spouse has lived in the state for at least 6 months. Next, consider if your divorce will be uncontested, meaning you and your spouse agree on all terms, or contested, where disagreements exist. Finally, begin gathering important documents like financial statements and property deeds to prepare for the process ahead. For an uncontested divorce, the first crucial step is to work with your spouse to create a comprehensive marital settlement agreement. This document outlines how you'll divide assets, debts, and address any child-related matters. Once agreed upon, you'll file a complaint for divorce with the appropriate Virginia Circuit Court. Remember, proper service of these papers to your spouse is essential to move the process forward smoothly.
If you're finding this easy guide on Virginia divorce helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. And on another note, navigating legal processes can be draining, so remember to stay hydrated. The Oala water bottle is perfect for keeping your water cold and accessible. Check the description for a link to grab yours and discover other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
If your divorce is contested, meaning you and your spouse cannot agree on key issues, be ready for court involvement. This often includes attending hearings and potentially engaging in mediation to resolve disputes. For complex situations, hiring an experienced attorney is highly recommended to navigate the legal complexities. Virginia recognizes both no-fault and fault-based grounds for divorce, such as cruelty or desertion, which can impact the process. As you near the end of your divorce journey, you may need to attend final court hearings or settlement conferences. The critical step is submitting a final decree of divorce, which is the court's official order ending your marriage. A judge will review and sign this decree, making it legally binding. It's vital to ensure all terms, from property division to child custody, are accurately reflected and properly executed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.